saw you downtown. Through the world, my taillights, you stopped behind me. The car caught my eye. I'm glad this light's slow. Give me a chance to catch my breath right before I drive away for you. Why do I give it down after everything went south? Why do I write the songs while I kept my heart shut its mouth? Why can't I move on and give a fair chance to someone new? Why can't I fall out of love with you? I tried pretty, I tried outgoing and fun, I tried intelligent. Trust me, I tried dumb, I tried wealthy, I looked at a way out. I've tried everything I know to try out. Why do I give it down after everything went south? Why do I write the songs while I kept my heart shut its damn mouth? Can I move on and give the chance to someone new? Why can't I fall out of love? Yeah, why can't I fall out of love? Well, hi there, pluckers. I have a sore fingers again, but hopefully another interesting lesson for you, a bit of country from a band called Reed Southall Band, or the Reed Southall Band, and this song's called Why. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning and no capos, doing it in the same key as the Reed Southall Band, which is the key of C. Nice simple chords for this song, nothing too difficult. You've got a C chord, an A minor chord, an F chord, however you used to play it, simple F, four-fingered F, bar chord F, and a G chord. Again, straightforward G, standard G, or you could play a G bar chord. Okay, whichever. Right, so let's get to it. So the intro, very simple. Basically, a form of C chords, simple C chords, fine. You sort of hit the root note, the third on the fifth, and a quick strum, like that. And then you pick around the second, third, and fourth strings. Okay. That's 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Then you play an A minor, accentuating the root note, the A string, fifth string, and the same thing. And you do that pick again. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so it's that's right. Just repeat that another time. Okay, then go into the verse, and that's basically C and A minor. Okay, so it's like this is the intro. Right, here we go. I saw you downtown, through the glow of your taillights. Just C and A minor, this is what's behind me. Caught my eye, glad the light's slow. Give me a chance to catch my breath. Now we go to a G, right before my try A minor again. And that's a verse, okay? All the verses play the same way. And then you just got the chorus to learn, okay? So right from the beginning, we'll do that very slowly again. I saw you downtown, So you told your daylight, you stopped behind me. You caught my eye. Glad this light's slow. Give me a chance to catch my breath right before I drive away again. Right, and we're going into the chorus, okay? Now, obviously during the verse, it's basically just strumming very slowly. Just strumming. So the picking is only for the intro, okay? So let's get to it now, the chorus. Here comes a right before I drive away to forget. Why do I F, whichever F you want to play, bar chord, simple F or whatever. Give a damn G, everything went A minor. Well, repeat. F, why do I write G, why can't I? A minor, shut it, smell. Again, F, why can't I move on? G, A minor, F and stop, why can't I? G and stop. Fall in love with A minor, sorry, C. And now off into the next verse, okay? So that last line is F, why can't I? G, fall in love with C. You. Next verse, I tried to pity, C and A minor. I tried outgoing fun. I tried intelligence. Accentuate that root note each time. Oh, kiss me, I'm done. I tried wealthy. I tried to look at his way out. G, and I tried everything. A minor for I am. Chorus, F, G. Why do I give a damn? Why every A minor everything I want? Why do I have to do a G down? How can I find love? Why can I fall out of love with? And that's how it stops, okay? It finishes on that G. Okay, what you heard there was the last chorus has an extra line in it. You go back to why can't I fall out in love with you, okay? So the last chorus is why do I give a damn that everything went south? Why do I write the songs? Why can't I shut it down now? Can I move on and give a fair chance to someone? This is the extra line. F, why can't I? G, fall in love. A minor, U. This is the last line. F and G, why can't I fall out of love? And that's how the song finishes, okay? So there you have it, boys and girls. Really simple, basically country number. Nice and slow, don't try and rush it. It's a pretty slow number. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson.